Hi, everybody. My name is Ben Baker, and we have a failure to communicate. Every year in the United States, $37 billion is wasted in ineffective internal communications. We want to help you fix that. But here's some stories that will give you some insights that will show you what is being done currently and how you can avoid them. We hope you find these valuable. We look forward to hearing from you. A hospital system, a very large hospital system, was creating a new security system for their company. And with that, they needed lanyards to go around every person's neck to be able to tell that that is a person that actually works there. And they had very specific needs for those lanyards. And one of those particular needs were they had to be printed on both sides. Now, the reason for that is to make sure that they weren't copied. They wanted to make it as very difficult as possible for somebody who wasn't a member of the hospital unit to be able to wear one of these lanyards and therefore, fit in when they didn't belong. So they asked their vendor to produce 20,000 lanyards. Now those lanyards got, ordered, a proof was put together, images were seen, signed off on, sent to the factory. Now, somewhere along the way, it went from being printed double-sided on the order form to being printed single-sided on the order form. And the factory produced 20,000 lanyards, single-sided. Well, the client signed off on double-sided. They were ordered as single-sided. It was obviously the fault of the manufacturer. The manufacturer had to reprint these, airship them to North America, and they had to turn around and destroy all the single-sided lanyards. So the overall cost for fixing this blunder due to ineffective communication was over $25,000. We definitely have a failure to communicate.